How to enable auto clicker in iPhone. In this tutorial, we will be going through a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable auto clicker. First up, go to settings and go to accessibility. There you will see an option called switch control. Click on that. Then go to switches and click on add new switch. Then click on the screen option, that is the second one that you can see. Then click on full screen and click on select item from all the different kind of options that you see. Go back and then click on recipes. There click on create new recipe and then click on assign a switch. Click on full screen and this will take you to a new page. Select the custom gesture option, that is the fifth option that you can see under the actions. And then on the blank space that you were given, click the gesture that you want to be executed during auto clicking. After this, you can also name the gesture. For now, we are going to name it auto and then go back again by clicking on the top left arrow and then click on launch recipe. That is the last option there. Click on auto or whatever name you have given to your new gesture and then go back again. Keep going back until you reach the accessibility page, then scroll down and click on accessibility shortcut. Scroll down a bit and then click on switch control option, and after this you can go back and go to the app that you want to execute your auto control in. Then click your side button 3 times, after which your auto clicker button is enabled. Thank you.